Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Naked Audio Tutorial. This is Yong from Sgaudiohive. We have previously gone through the teardown review of both the Monk, i.e. the Biggie and the Smalls, in our last video and has noted the quality of the 2-pin female connectors they use. My personal set of Smalls have had the connector replaced and my Biggies now require the same repair. For this repair, we'll need the following items. For tools, we'll need soldering equipment and super glue. For parts, we'll need a female slotted 2-pin connector. The replacement process is very straightforward and this should only take a few minutes to complete. Remove the broken female connector out of the housing. Take note of the wire polarity with the red positive wire being on top. Make sure the new connectors can fit into the slot in the housing. Prepare the new connectors by coating the soldering pad with a thin layer of solder. Remove the wires from the old connectors and solder the wires onto the new connector. Fit the connector into the housing in the correct orientation. Lightly glue the connectors and shells with super glue applied by a needle. Hold the housing together for a minute and the repair is done.